I have been so impressed with the service from the Shutter Studio from beginning to today, installation day. Just Sam and Dan came out very early on in the project, and they've seen it, you know, when it was very much a building site. I got them down, I tried to get them to measure up before the walls had even been plastered. I was so desperate, you know, to order my shutters. And they were incredibly patient with me. They talked me through all of the options, from the different colours, different colour of shutters that you can have, the different hinges you can have, the different widths of the actual slats themselves. Just there are so many different options, and you know, they kind of guided me through that process, which was fantastic. Advised on what was going to work best in a bay window. This hasn't been the most straightforward of bay windows, but they made the installation seamless. And I think, look, you know, the final look says it all. The other thing that I really liked about the Shutter Studio is it's a family-run business, it's a local business, and I'm all for supporting those kind of businesses. I think it's really important, and I like their ethos. A lot of their vehicles are electric. They really care about the environment, and with the world going the way it is, I think that's so great when I'm trying to do that in my home. So when you see that businesses are doing the same, it's fantastic to be able to work together.